They have destroyed the buildings here. Just this morning, some people came with a caterpillar and started destruction.
Go. Stop that. Stop that. I'm going to be like another. Stop that. Wait, come. Come here first. Nice and yourself walk. My organ, my organ. I better sit and walk now. Look at me. No person stand and walk. This is how they have destroyed the whole places. This is what they have done. Came this morning and started destruction. This is some of the waters packed here. They just destroyed everything.
Father Prof, please give us your 5 minutes interaction, please.
Yes.
We are confused on what we are seeing. Totally confused. We don't know what happened. Some people came here, some people came to pray, some people came to buy pure water, sachet water, bottled water. Behold, we saw a different thing.
Well, that's how we all saw. There was a woman called the Princess Ota, Monica. She has been threatening hell all over this place. That Bruburu owns here. If Bruburu owns here, why are you the one fronting yourself? So I heard she was coming. I thought it was just a joke, and I went to alert the police that this is what she intends to do. Not knowing she has already gone to identify with the police to tell them she will be coming today. Then, all of a sudden, we saw a team of army people, police people, and then all the thugs, so I gathered them and paid them up. So when I was returning from police, before I returned, they had broken the fence and came in here and demolished this thing, despite the adoration members, who were a few of them who were around, asking them to stop. The woman was inside the car, giving order, go in, destroy. After all, the government sent her. She said that the government sent her to destroy this place, which we have to ratify. Then I went to the police, I asked them, what do you mean? You gave them the order to destroy my pure water and adoration? Even if the land is not my own, should you destroy my things? You should give me a quick notice, and then when you follow the due process. But they did not. So all I saw was not knowing these materials they destroyed is more than 300 million. Because we just funded it. The Canadian Finance Bank funded it. not up to a week. All the gadgets, even the water bottling machines, crushed all of them. And our band, he crushed all of them. He didn't allow anybody to remove anything, even if it is a military dispatch. Even Governor Pitamba gave dates when people should remove their things. And you are not Governor Mba, you are not whoever you say you are. You just came on your own, just took the law into your hand and destroyed this place. So I was to say, let there be hell let loose. But I know I'm a calm person and I am a legal entity. And so we follow this due process. So all this they destroy, they don't touch me. I'm not part of it. God will file the cause now. And the woman said he has fought Mbaka and he has fought many people and that he's going to slander my name. He will say I impregnated 10 women. I say that is what the guy for outside water. If you get another serious one, say he say okay, we will destroy all my name in Abuja and any institution and all that. And he has called my bishop, and my bishop said bring it over, and that he should get this place and bring it to the church. I asked, am I not a church? So there are so many things going on there, and we really want to know who is behind it. What authority has she? Because when I came back yesterday evening, I saw red everywhere. Then I said, what is this? They said it's local government town planners, they came. Then I went to Enugu and found out. I asked the town planners, were you the one who sent the woman to come and mark it? They said, no, the woman came and they requested for power to demolish. Then they said, no, that only governor, incumbent governor, can give you the authority to demolish. Now she came here, and this morning she took the law into her hand to demolish, carrying illegal soldiers and police and the touts, food everywhere. Now, do you know the worst thing why police area command did not intervene? Because we went there. The area command said the woman told them that she will be coming to inspect her land, not land of anybody, as she claimed that it is Buruburu who owns this place. Now, if it is Buruburu, are you the son of Buruburu or who? Does woman struggle of the land culturally followed? Now, that one apart. She told the policemen that she was coming to inspect her land and they should grant it so that she could come and inspect her land. This is now inspection turned into demolition. The law will take its toll. So that we don't know when Princess Ota has turned into the governor and Tinubu. He says a Tinubu campaign manager say that does not concern us. All we want to follow the rule of doing things. Even those in the ministry, they are running away from this kind of thing. And you as an individual took it upon yourself to come and destroy what we spent. Do you know what the house alone cost? We tied everywhere, made it clean. The people were coming. This is where the adoration people drink. This is the adoration ground. They wanted to go into demolition or pulling down those mansions and all this until the local government chairman came. It was God sent. He came before they all bowed. He told the caterpillar man to come down. Who sent you? He was calling somebody. Somebody started running. They say, Madam. They call Madam. Local government, see how abusive the woman is. Local government chairman said, Madam, call Madam, let us talk. What is happening? Madam said, you should come and see me in the car. That pained the local government chairman. Then he confiscated the machine and took it to the local government. So you see how naughty the woman should be. And I just reserve things. People are asking me, what? Are you worried? I'm not worried. I'm not perturbed. So nothing touches me. The things will follow its role. So we'll be hearing, I'm getting a lot of calls, but as it is, that's just the simple thing about this, that the woman took the law into her hand, because the ministry, governor is not aware of this. Yes, and the ministry is not aware of this.
The Minister of Lands.
The Minister of Lands and the Minister of Town Planning, all this, they are not aware of this. So, but if they are, they should indicate. But what she wrote is fundamental deception on the police. So it's liable to some sentences of some years. He told the police lies. And it is written and signed. The document is there. So that she's going to inspect her land. No longer Buruburu land, no longer anybody's land. So that is what we are seeing now. We just leave matters right and let us see what follows. So once again, thank you. Don't worry about me. I am calm.
So these are some of the instruments destroyed. These are some of the instruments. They destroyed all of them. These are some of the instruments. Both the machines used in water production, everything was destroyed. This is what just happened this morning. These are machines used in water production. They destroyed everything. All of a sudden, already produced waters. All of them was destroyed. This is inside the factory. These are machines used in working. This is inside the factory. These are machines, costly machines that cost millions of nairas. The whole machines. Already produced waters. These are machines that cost billions of naira used in water production. All of them was destroyed. All of them, they were all destroyed. The whole building, the other machines. This is what they did. This is how they destroyed the whole building. They actually spent billions of naira to build and equip them with machines used in water production. Even some of the adoration musical instruments and speakers that were packed here. We've already removed some, but they destroyed almost everything. Just this morning, this is what they came and did and left. This is what they came and did. These are costly machines. Costly machines. Even stocked bags and bottled waters. They were all destroyed.